very fine. The lines on this cross. They go like this and like this, but they only cut on the forward stroke. So it doesn't cut this way. So you don't do it like you're doing your nails, you know, Madai. You just go in one direction.
I see.
Like that, and your finger's on the file. So watch me file this. I want to file this at 90 degrees. Be holding this here, not back there. You're afraid of it. There you go. Go ahead. Keep it straight and stay against the wall. Don't run too fast. You're running too fast. Slow down. Slow down. That's better. Okay, keep this straight. Slow down a little bit on this. That's it. Go ahead and you keep doing it. Just gotta really polish it up, alright? So you're gonna go like that. You ready? And then after you're done with this paper, I'm gonna give you finer paper. This is 400. This is 180. Okay, so watch. And don't go full speed. That's the thing. Don't go full speed, okay? And it's almost perfect. And reverse it. Okay. Oh, look at that. You did such a good job in filing. Very good job. That's going to be a great scene. Great. Sit. Inside and out. Once you get into this, you can make a ring in a half an hour. After you get good at it. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to take you to the next step, and then I'm going to let you do it yourself. First, you start from far away, like this, and you want to dry the water out very slowly. If you come in like that, the solder will just pop out because the water boils too violently. So you start, you see how the flux turned white like powder? Okay, and then it's going to fluff up like cloth almost.